Today, we are going to unbox the silver Hawthorn copper magnetic bracelet from Magnetic Mobility. Inside the postal box, you will find care instructions and information about your bracelet. All of our bracelets are packaged in luxury, eco-friendly gift boxes. Gently remove the bracelet from the box. On the back of the bracelet, you will see the 6 strong neodymium magnets. Copper is a natural anti-inflammatory, and magnets have long been used for pain management for people with arthritis, back pain, and general aches and pains. To adjust the bracelet on your wrist, gently bend the copper in on the sides. We recommend leaving the bracelet on at all times, as copper is a soft metal and can get damaged with repeated bending. You can choose our eco-friendly shipping option, where you will receive your bracelet in a satin bag. This reduces the amount of packaging and your carbon footprint. Shop online today at magneticmobility.ie